Hello everybody, welcome back to Bootstrap Workbench. Today I wanted to talk about running Meteor Scatter on 6 meter. It's one of those things where a lot of people think, oh, you need a huge antenna, multi-element Yagi, high power to be able to do it. And the truth is, you don't. You don't need that to get started. You can work some contacts using a pretty basic setup. The way that I've done it here is I have a Moxon antenna, and it's up at about maybe 20 feet. And it works pretty decent. I've contacted people all across the country on 6 meter using WSJTX in the MSK 144 mode. So the antenna design that I'm using is somewhat similar to the N4CF 6 meter Moxon. What I am using to build that, of course, you've got to have your wire. And I'm using County Line 3/8 inch by 4 foot fiberglass rod fence posts. They're cheap, they're easy to work with, and if you break one, well, they were cheap. So buy a bunch. The centerpiece is a PVC reducer. So what I did is I drilled holes through 90 degrees apart so that I can insert the fiberglass rods. My mast comes up through the middle and the rods butt up against that. Then for the wire, I'm using egg insulators. I have 4 of them on the antenna, and what that does on the N4CF design, and he sells a parts kit here. You can use the parts kit, that's fine. I just wanted to use it what I had laying around. That's to make this longer insulator. So I have a ceramic egg on each end with a piece of rope in between to give the correct distance. Now, of course, you're going to want to have some sort of antenna analyzer so you can put this at the proper resonant point for where you're going to be operating. I use the Nano VNA, and the software that I use is Nano VNA Saver. It allows you to run the Nano VNA using your computer, so you don't have to do a whole bunch of tap, tap, tap on the screen, on the small screen that's on the Nano VNA. It's great for field work, but if I'm going to be using it here at the shack, then I use Nano VNA Saver. But of course, you could use Rig Expert or any other name brand, well-known antenna analyzer and get the same results. So with that up, I've got it on a TV antenna rotator, so you don't even have to have a big rotator. And it's on that's all mounted at the top of a piece of chain link top rail. So you don't even have to have a fantastic mast. It does have to be supported a little bit because the wind wants to get it to moving, but you just point it in the direction of where the meteor shower is coming from, or certain times of the day you want it pointed a certain way. And then you just operate on WSJTX. You can either listen for somebody who's calling, or you can call yourself. And before you'll know it, you'll have some MSK 144 contacts, and you'll be hooked. Now from there, yeah, you can get into running high power. You can get preamps. You can get a big multi-element Yagi. It's wherever you want to go. But if you just want to get started, if you want to try it out, see if it's for you, then hey, this is a great alternative. And if you want to see how to set this up, WSJTX and rig control and logging in general, previous video on my channel covers all that. I'll put a link for that down in the description. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, put it down below. Other than that, you guys know how YouTube works. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll catch you on the next episode.